So now all the metal parts has been taken off, and the door is just hanging. I put some screws here because this is one heavy pig. I almost got it all over myself when I released the springs and all that, but soon it will be ready. This is the parts for the new doors. It will be 2 doors opening like this. I might start with it tomorrow, but I have to remove this first to see how big the opening should be, and then I can take measure and fabricate some doors. So this is how the doors turned out. Pretty good. Pretty heavy. Opens up. Here's some homemade handles from a ladder. The old port, I guess it was here. That meant that the car would not fit in here, so I had to remove. No, I guess it's almost down here. This will be a lot better. Then I will remove this light and that one, and have some smaller ones on the side here. I guess it will be great.